Alright everybody, if you don't know how to make a hyperlink, I'm going to show you how. So here's my example storyboard chart, right? Part of my day, the alarm goes off. Emotion, nope. Song I chose, Lazy Song by Bruno Mars. All songs you choose have to be appropriate for school, of course. And the video, if you include it, has to be appropriate for school, or you need to use the video that just has the lyrics in it if the official video is not appropriate, okay? So I go and I found my video here on YouTube. Okay, here it is. Bruno Mars Lazy Day official video. I go up here to the top. Right, here's the web address. I click it. I right click to copy it. Right, I've copied the address. Now I go back to my assignment. Here we are. And I want to put it here. So I'm going to highlight this. This is where I want it to go, right? And I go over and I click Insert, Link, and I paste it right here. And then hit, I had to move my screen over, and I paste it right there and hit Apply, right over here, and boom. Now it's right there. So now it's been hyperlinked, so Miss Gaston or anybody else can just click right here on this link, and there it is. Okay, so that is how you need to hyperlink your video into the chart here. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.